The crypto market is extremely volatile right now, and big things could be happening soon for Shiba Inu. So if you have any interest in Shiba Inu or you hold any SHIB tokens, then you can't afford to miss this video. So what is the latest Shiba Inu coin news, and how will all of this affect the value of Shiba Inu? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the price boosting information that has just come out about Shiba Inu. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch until the end to not miss out on any information. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment hashtag Shiba Inu. Good luck. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 22nd of October, shall we? Shiba Inu's price today is around 1,825 units. SHIB's price is down 1% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $459 million. The token also currently has a market cap of over $10.7 billion, ranking it as the 15th most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video. This content is not financial advice. Now, let's get into today's video. SHIB burn rate explodes 941%. Why is price trailing behind? Shiba Inu has pivoted an intense token burning schedule, but the 941% increase in weekly SHIB burns has barely affected the price. Over the past 7 days, 322 million tokens worth $5,933 were sent to the blockchain's null addresses. Shiba Inu burn rate on hot streak. With 6 million tokens burned over the past 24 hours, the hot streak continues as SHIB price battles to stay above the key support at 1,800 units. Here, 54% of custodians profit from this price range. This puts Shiba Inu's price at risk of fully retracing September's bull run to 2,135 units if burns would not provide a sufficient boost. Notably, Shiba Inu's burn rates heavily rely on using Shibarium Layer 2, SHIB's native blockchain. Indeed, a large chunk of the transaction fees garnered in the gas token bond shibaswap, capped at 250 million, are regularly swapped back to SHIB and burned in a quest to gradually reduce Shiba Inu's supply. How this affects SHIB price dynamics. SHIB's rising trading activity on Shibarium L2 could be critical in reclaiming the monthly heights of 2,136 units. According to the blockchain explorer Shibarium Scan, the SHIB Army's blockchain pumped up to 242.89k daily transactions on October 19, 2024. Yesterday, this metric flashed another 242.89k transactions, which could be considered an anomaly as most days this month have seen Shibarium's activity dropping below 10k daily. As the price range between 1,800 and 2,000 units holds the most active addresses, sell-offs in this territory could have a bearish impact on Shiba Inu's market value. The number 15 seeded SHIB is changing hands at 1,820 units, sliding down by 3% in 24 hours. On the flip side, Shiba Inu Coin picked up a 16% increase in derivatives trading volume. Still, the leveraged trading activity suggests that short sellers outsourced the long bidders in the latest 24-hour period with a 0.89 long vs short ratio. Why this matters. Community members are more willing to contribute to supply reduction if they believe in the crypto project's long-term success, marked by undeniable utility cases that edge out competitors. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. But keep watching to find out the latest Shiba Inu updates and what the future could hold for the Shiba Inu coin. 3 bullish signs for the Shiba Inu price to watch. Good news for SHIB bulls. The second largest meme coin has performed quite well in the past month, registering a 30% price increase. Despite being slightly in the red today, some important factors suggest that the rally could continue in the short term. One of those bullish signals is the resurgence of Shiba Inu's Layer 2 scaling solution, Shibarium. Daily transactions on the network have exploded to 324,000 and 242,000 in the past 2 days. Such high figures were last observed in April this year. The number of active accounts, new accounts, and other Shibarium-related metrics have also skyrocketed lately. The protocol's revival hints at increased user engagement and growing adoption and utility within the network. Investors may see this as a sign of confidence, triggering a fresh flow of capital toward the ecosystem. Next on the list is Shiba Inu's burning mechanism. Data shows that the burn rate has skyrocketed by almost 400% in the past 24 hours, resulting in 6.3 million tokens destroyed. The program's goal is to reduce the circulating supply of Shib, making it scarcer and potentially more valuable should demand remain constant or head north. Currently, there are more than 583 trillion tokens in circulation, with 410.7 trillion already sent to a null address over the years. The third bullish element is the meme coin sector that has been at the forefront of gains lately. The leader, Dogecoin, is up almost 30% weekly, while Bonk Inu and Floki Inu have also seen significant increases for that period. It is worth mentioning that today's rock star is Cat in a Dog's World, which jumped by double digits and hit a new all-time high of approximately 1 cent. This happened shortly after the biggest South Korean crypto exchange, a BIT, allowed trading services with the asset. It's not all roses and sunshine. Despite the overall bullish environment, there is one bearish factor that signals a possible pullback for Shiba Inu's price. This is the Shib exchange net flow, which according to CryptoQuant, has been predominantly positive in the past several days. The development suggests that a growing number of investors might have switched from self-custody methods towards centralized platforms, which in turn increases the immediate selling pressure. Now it's time for the main story of today's video. Possible Shiba Inu Golden Cross in 10 days, now or in 2025. Within the next 100 days, Shiba Inu may be about to form a golden cross, which is traditionally regarded as a bullish signal on conventional financial markets. The onset of a notable uptrend is frequently linked to this technical formation, which happens when a shorter-term moving average crosses above a longer-term moving average. But the significance of this event may not be as bright for Shiba Inu as it seems. For traders and investors, the Golden Cross may be thrilling, but there is some sobering history to take into account. In December 2023, Shiba Inu last saw a Golden Cross. Many people thought at the time that this signal would cause Shib's price to soar, but the truth was more muted. The price spike that many anticipated for Shib did not occur immediately after the Golden Cross. For a while, the asset actually lost momentum, and the Golden Cross itself had nothing to do with the eventual growth that did occur. Keeping expectations in check is crucial in light of this historical precedent. Golden Crosses are generally regarded as bullish signals, but they do not always indicate rapid or even steady growth, particularly for meme coins like Shib. Despite the possible Golden Cross formation, the token has been steadily losing ground over the past year, and a further retracement is still possible. The larger market conditions and the hype generated by the Shib community will probably have a greater impact on the price trajectory of the company in the future than this technical formation. A longer-term recovery could be indicated if the Golden Cross materializes, but it is unclear if that will happen before or after 2025. But Shib isn't the only project you should be looking into at the moment. I recently did a video on what could become the next Shiba Inu coin. Check out the video on screen to find out more. Thanks for watching.